Okay guys, today I would like to unbox the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So actually this is my first video of unboxing of a phone. Actually I have unboxed many phones in all these years, but I have unboxed it for myself. So this time I would love to do an unboxing to share my experience with all you guys. Actually this is not for the sake of business or for the channel. I'm just unboxing my own phone and sharing my own experience with you guys. So I hope you enjoy it. If it's not a professional unboxing, so pardon me for that. So we are actually unboxing the Max M400 Plus. Just joking. So we are unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro Max in gold color. Actually I'm an Android user. I have used a lot of Android phones in all these years. I also use some iPhones, but mostly I use Android phones. Before unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro Max, I also unboxed the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So I will post that video maybe later on. So I will just do a simple unboxing. I have to mention, I already unboxed this one, because in my country we don't pre-order phones, we just unbox it right away in the store, because if the device is defected they will change it right away. But if there is any problem with the device, they will not take it back if you bring it tomorrow or some other day. So let's do a quick unboxing. Okay, so actually it has a matte finish, not a glossy finish like last year iPhone XS Max. And I believe it has a main camera of 12 megapixel and also an ultra wide of 12 megapixel and a telephoto camera. So as I mentioned before, I already unboxed it, because for the sake of video I have to mention that. And I put everything on it. I put my data. I already installed a screen protector, as you can see, and also I have a TPU case, silicone TPU case to protect it. It's not a good case, it's just a plastic TPU case. So in the box, everyone know, here is some stickers and a SIM ejector tool. This is the Apple's fast charger. I believe they just include this charger in the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I don't know it's 9 volt or 18 volt, I don't know, but I know it's a fast charger. So everything else is just as it is. So guys, I already installed some apps on it, and I just put my data in it. It's not completely it's not completely ready for the review, but I already put my data and install some applications, so it's not bad. The charger is also not bad. Actually I charge it, it's a little bit fast, but it's not as fast as my S20 Ultra. It has a 25-watt fast charger and it's very fast when you charge it, but that also drains the battery very fast. But this one is very good, you know. You can, as you can see, it's 100%, so it has a very good battery this year. It can last you the whole day without any problem. So guys, thanks for seeing it, and thanks for being with us.